Hey guys, hey. I want to talk about some things to motivate you to change your mindset because our minds are become toxic after a while listening to everybody else, and other people becomes toxic. So, you have to basically retrain your mind to think differently and to think more positive because fear and worry is going to cause you to stumble. You have to get rid of those things. You have to work on yourself really hard to get rid of it. No matter what's happening out here in this world, you're going to have to forget about becoming fearful and worrying. You got to have faith, and you got to know that God is there for you, because things are going to get worse than what they are now. So you need to start getting rid of the fear and just worry up and go within and start meditating more. Meditate a lot more. Say affirmations. You can start off with one, but you can have as many as 100 and say them like 10. Say them like 10 times a day. Not just morning and evening, because at the beginning, you got to retransform, you got to retrain your mind to think differently. You got to get those negative thoughts out your mind. And so when you are using your affirmations for positivity, it will take over your mind eventually. So one of the ones that I use now is good things always happen to me. And you can say that over and over all day long. Good things always happen to me. Good things always happen to me. And your eyes will open up to see the good things that's happening in your life. You will, and when you're saying that, be open to good things happening to you. Don't have negative, nothing good ever happens. So don't say those things, because nothing good will ever happen to you. Say good things always happen to me. Good things always happen to me. And you'll see that you'll find good things happening to you. Ever since I've been saying that, I see good things happening to me. So you'll see and notice things, changes in your life when you start saying those. But you have to retrain your brain. Stop thinking in doubt and fear. That's not going to help you at all. Doubt and fear is going to be your fall. It's going to make you, you're not going to be able to make it in this world if you keep holding on to doubt and fear. That has to go, because that is not in God. God does not have any doubt or fear. God is joy. This is a scripture, I think, that in the Bible that says what the things that God is: joy, love, happiness, peace. But it's not fear and doubt. And that is what's going to keep you from getting anything in your life, making it in life. That's going to keep you down. Now, I ain't saying it's easy. It's not easy for me either. Sometimes I get fearful and I have doubts in my mind. But as soon as you say that, start going back to your affirmations. Good things always happen to me. Whatever affirmations you got, you can have a whole list of affirmations, but as long as you say them about 10 times a day to transform your mind, that's the only way it's going to work. But you can start off with one, and memorize that one and just say it over and over. Good things always happen to me. Good things always happen to me. And I like that, because good things always happen to me covers everything. It covers anything. So it covers the known and unknown to me, so good things always happen to me. You're not saying anything specific, you're just letting God give you good things. That's what you're doing. You're relaxing and letting go. Let God show you what good things is in life is all about. Let God show you a good life. That's all you have to do. Let go and let God. Say your affirmations every day. Meditate. Sit in meditation at least 2 to 3 times a day. Sit in quietness at least 5 to 10 minutes every day. 2 to 3 times a day. You got to work on yourself in order for any of this to work. You can't just sit there and say, oh God, please. You cannot beg God. That's another thing. When you're praying, you don't beg. Don't beg God for anything. You command and know that you are God, and God is going to help you. God gives you whatever you want. He works on your thoughts. He works on your imagination. I think I mentioned that in the last video. He works in your mind. So whatever your mind is thinking is what God's going to give you. Oh, okay. He thinks his life is miserable. I'm going to give him more miserable things. He must like it. She must like it. Give God time. Give God your time. Spend time with God. Spend time with God. Give God time so that God can give you time. Remember, good things always happen to you. And they do. You just don't see them because we're so involved and so stressed and so looking at all the negative, looking at the news. Stop looking at the news. Stop looking at the news. Give that a break. Give social media a break. And just spend time with God. Don't beg and plead and sing a symphony for God. Just ask God for what you want. You ask or you command. It's okay to command what you want. God is here to help us. We're here on earth to do God's will. And if we need help, we have the right to ask for it. Okay. I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this has helped someone, and let me know below. Are you doing affirmations? Are you doing any of these things, and are they helping you? Let other people know what it's doing in your life and how it's making changes in your life. And let us know. Let us know down below. Thank you for watching. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click that bell so you'll be notified and whenever I upload a new video. And comment below. Let's continue the conversation below. Thank you for watching. Share this with someone who needs to hear these words. When you click the like button, it helps for other people to see this video that needs to see it. So thank you for that. And thank you for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. And remember, you must hustle. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.